This is the Active Distiller Descaler. It's the Citric Acid Cleaner. Now, because my water distiller was building up residue faster than I liked it to, and the regular rinsing just wasn't cutting it anymore. So Active was awesome enough to go ahead and send this to me to test out and try it, and we're gonna do this together. Now, what I really like about this cleaner is that it's straightforward. It's just pure citric acid crystals, no strong chemical smell, no complicated instructions. I mix it with warm water, ran it through the distiller, and you can actually see the buildup just like loosening and breaking down when you're using it. Basically, you're gonna let it sit overnight. So this is how I was able to see all that happen. It works surprisingly well. Mineral scale that had been stuck on for a while came off without scrubbing or scraping, which is a huge win. I've also used it on a kettle and hot water dispenser, and it cleaned both without leaving any weird residue behind. Since it's a bulk 2-pound bag, it lasts a really long time. I don't feel like I'm rationing it, and it's nice knowing I have enough on hand for regular maintenance instead of waiting until things get really bad to use it. Another thing I appreciate is that it feels gentler than harsher descalers. It does the job without being aggressive, which makes me more comfortable using it on equipment I rely on regularly. Overall, this is one of those maintenance products that just works quietly in the background. It keeps your appliances running cleaner, saves time, and makes descaling way less of a hassle. If you use a water distiller or anything that builds up mineral scale, this is a really practical thing to keep around. Active is one of those brands that I truly believe in and I truly love using daily. So why wouldn't I use it as my descaler?